Udaftem es oivechem, you will pursue your enemies. A great promise. But it seems that there is a superfluous word in this pasuk. Udaftem es oivechem. You can say the same thing without the word es. Udaftem oivechem. You will pursue your enemies. So what does the word es come to do here? We have a rule. The word es always comes to include something. Es in vegamin ribuin. So are we going to pursue something else besides our enemies? Perhaps there are two types of enemies. There are enemies who appear as enemies, come against us with a sword, with ammunition, but there's another type of enemies. Enemies that appear as friends, greatest friends, but they really hate us and they are our enemies. Says the pasuk, Udaftem es oivechem, you will be able to pursue your enemies, and those enemies which appear as your friends, you will pursue them as well. My son Nehoyair, explain in a different way. Who is our biggest enemy? The Yetzer Hara. Udaftem es oivechem, you will pursue your enemies. You will also be able to pursue the internal enemy that everyone has, the Yetzer Hara.